Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable one-handed mode on your REALME GT8 Pro smartphone. First, we're gonna have to open Settings on this device, then scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience menu in Settings, open it, and here in Accessibility and Convenience, find one-handed mode option and select it. To enable it, just switch this toggle to the right. And then to use it, you're gonna have to perform a swipe down gesture at the bottom of your screen, like this. And this way you'll be able to easily access the top elements of your device's screen with one hand. And to disable this mode, go out of this mode, just tap on the arrow icon at the top of your window. And if you want to disable it completely, switch this toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.